If you do lolly-lob, boy, come and join the fish and chip parade.
Hi, I'm Russell Mann. Welcome to Fish and Chips, where I discuss the differences in real estate between the US and the UK. This week's subject is laundry. So, in the US, I've noticed that most laundry are either in the basement, or they have a room, a special closet on the main floor, or even some of the new builds in particular on the first floor. However, in the UK, we have ours in the kitchen underneath the work surfaces. Some have converted old outhouses or coal bunkers into a room that they can house the laundry, and a lot of our laundry, we have a combination washer dryer now, where it's just one machine. It'll do the washing, then it will dry it. And a lot of people in the UK still hang out their washing in the good weather to dry. So what are your preferences? Why don't you comment below? Once again, this is Russell Mann at Shore West and tamthomes.com. Don't forget to join me next week for another edition of Fish and Chips.
If you do lolly-lob, boy, come and join the fish and chip parade.